New information recently surfaced about the opioid epidemic. A drug enforcement database now shows 76 billion oxycodone and hydrocodone pills flooded U.S. communities between 2006 and 2012. That database is a key part of a massive legal case in federal court in Cleveland, where a judge is pushing for a settlement. Some experts say it could top $100 billion. Meg Tirrell has the story of one drug company's strategy to shield itself from potential liabilities.
Mallinckrodt Pharmaceuticals is a UK-based drug maker with U.S. operations in Missouri. It's best known for selling the billion-dollar drug HP Acthar Gel. But last week, it was also revealed to be the largest manufacturer of oxycodone and hydrocodone pills over a 7-year period, supplying U.S. communities with almost 29 billion pills. As a federal judge in Ohio pushes for an opioid settlement, that could spell billions of dollars.
You can actually get to a bear case scenario for Mallinckrodt that's in excess of $5 billion. That's not our base case scenario. That's a worst case scenario.
But Mallinckrodt has a plan that would shield its main business from those potential liabilities. It aims to spin out its generic drug division, which contains oxycodone and hydrocodone, into a new company. With it, company executives say, should go any potential liabilities from selling opioids.
With regards to the risks and liabilities, again, I think we've been very clear since we announced our intent to spin, is that risks and liabilities will follow the assets.
Mallinckrodt notes it's been considering how to separate the two businesses for years and doesn't cite the liabilities as a driving factor. The company declined to comment for this story, directing us instead to public documents. But it wouldn't be the first company to try to benefit from a sale or spin-off of a business with legal risks from opioids. In 2014, consumer products giant Reckitt Benckiser, which sells brands from Clear Cell acne products to Enfamil baby formula, spun out its pharmaceuticals unit into a company called Indivior. Earlier this year, Reckitt Benckiser agreed to an almost $1.5 billion settlement with the Department of Justice over sales practices for the opioid product Suboxone. But the company wasn't named when the Justice Department indicted Indivior, so Berenberg analyst Patrick Trucchio calls that a win.
When you look at that, the way that has kind of resolved, at least for Reckitt, one could argue that it was, strategically it made a lot of sense. And now on the legal side, they have a settlement and they can now move on and focus on their business.
Mallinckrodt says it aims to complete the spin-out before the end of the year. The trial in Cleveland, if it doesn't reach a settlement, is set to begin in October. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Tirrell.